How's it going, everyone? I'm out here working in the garage day after Christmas on my XCF project. Thought I'd show it off a little bit. I'm going to try to put a picture of what this looked like before I got it in the video. This thing sat in a barn since it was last registered in 2002. I believe it's sat since then. The original 440 fan-cooled engine that was in it was blown up, torn apart, and it was just left to sit in the barn. It's got a little over 4,000 miles on it. Very clean sled. Looked like it was a well taken care of sled when it was running. It sat covered for some time. I actually got the cover with it, which was completely deteriorated. The only major cosmetic flaw in the entire sled is this corner of the seat right here. Chassis is not beat up, banged up. Very clean sled. So I got a 488 from a friend of mine. Bolted that to the XCF motor plate and dropped it in. Nice VHT ceramic coated pipe on there. So I gotta find some foam for the top of the airbox because Mike's got that. Thinking the next step on it is clean the gas tank out because that smells really bad, and probably have to pull the skid next. It's not too bad under there, but I'm sure it needs some wheels freed up. Need to get some grease to it. Oh, Copper wants to say hi to everybody. Say hi, Copper. Yeah, you don't know what's going on, do you? But that's it. That's my project XCF. Hopefully we get some snow soon so I can go test this old girl out. My nice light shield. Should match up good with the 98 XC600 and 700 we've got to ride. Thanks for watching.